Spleen 10 is found on the inside of your thigh, just above your knee. To locate spleen 10, put your finger on the inside of your right knee. Now you move your fingers up till you come off the bony joint. You will be in an area of soft tissue. Press in till you find a spot that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is spleen 10. Stimulate spleen 10 by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or, if you have a Tay shin, it might look like this. Now find spleen 10 in your other leg and repeat.